In a clinical study published in Dermatoendocrinology 2014, researchers found that out of every 100 women over the age of 50, nearly 30 had lost up to one-third of their skin collagen within just 5 years after menopause. Let that sink in. 30 out of every 100 women walking around today have already experienced rapid collagen depletion, a key reason why skin sags, wrinkles deepen, hair thins, and joints begin to ache. For many women, this feels like an unavoidable part of aging, and most are told the answer lies in expensive creams, pills, or injections. But here's the question. What if the solution has been quietly sitting in your kitchen all along? What if anti-aging oils, often overlooked, are actually the missing link to youthful skin? These oils aren't just topical moisturizers. They are nutritional powerhouses, proven to nourish the skin, support natural collagen production, and protect the body from the free radicals that destroy collagen. And unlike quick-fix solutions, these oils offer long-term support, working both inside and out. In this guide, we'll dive deep into 5 collagen-supporting oils that have scientific backing and real-world success stories. You'll learn how they work, what the research says, how to use them effectively, and how real women have seen visible improvements in their skin texture, hydration, and resilience by simply adding these oils to their daily routines. Stay with me until the end, because I'll walk you through a practical, step-by-step collagen oil routine that you can start as early as tomorrow morning. Sometimes, the most powerful beauty secrets aren't on a store shelf. They're already in your home, waiting for you to use them. Why your skin depends on it more than you realize. Collagen is the structural protein that keeps skin firm, joints flexible, and hair strong. It's what gives skin its elasticity and youthful resilience. But as the body ages, collagen production naturally declines by about 1% per year starting at age 25, and that rate accelerates after menopause. In fact, studies show women can lose up to 30% of skin collagen within the first 5 years post-menopause. Environmental factors like sun exposure, smoking, and high-sugar diets further speed this process. That's why supporting collagen both internally through nutrition and externally through topical care is essential to slow visible aging and maintain skin health. Super Oil 1. Rosehip Seed Oil. When it comes to natural collagen regeneration, few oils are as scientifically supported as rosehip seed oil. Unlike typical moisturizers that offer surface-level hydration, rosehip seed oil works deeply within the skin structure, making it a powerful option for aging skin that needs both nourishment and repair. Rosehip seed oil is naturally abundant in retinoic acid, a bioavailable form of vitamin A. This compound is known to stimulate skin cell turnover and activate fibroblasts, which are essential for producing new collagen. In addition to vitamin A, rosehip oil contains vitamin C, a critical nutrient for collagen synthesis that also helps prevent the breakdown of existing collagen fibers. Together with omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which support the skin's natural barrier function, rosehip seed oil offers a complete package for skin rejuvenation. In 2015, a clinical study published in the Journal of Cosmetics, Dermatological Sciences and Applications demonstrated that consistent use of rosehip seed oil significantly improved skin texture and collagen density in participants over the age of 50. The researchers found that skin elasticity and moisture retention improved after regular use, confirming the oil's ability to support long-term collagen restoration. Rosehip seed oil's primary mechanism revolves around its ability to stimulate fibroblasts, which are the specialized cells responsible for collagen production in the dermal layer of the skin. Its naturally occurring retinoic acid accelerates skin cell turnover, replacing damaged cells and supporting new, stronger skin layers. Additionally, the oil forms a light barrier on the skin that helps defend against photoaging, a key cause of collagen degradation. For best results, rosehip seed oil should be applied topically. Just 2 to 3 drops massaged onto clean, damp skin at night can significantly improve skin quality over time. The skin's regenerative processes are most active during sleep, which makes nighttime the optimal window for application. While the oil can also be consumed in cold-press form to support internal skin health, Its most significant benefits are observed when applied directly to the skin. The story of Margaret, a 63-year-old woman who had been struggling with sun-damaged, sagging skin, is a compelling example of rosehip oil's potential. After applying the oil nightly for 8 weeks and adding it to her salad dressings 3 times per week, Margaret began to notice that her skin looked noticeably smoother and fine lines around her mouth and eyes became less visible. Her case illustrates that long-term, consistent use, rather than quick fixes, is key to meaningful skin improvement. Rosehip seed oil is more than just a beauty trend. It is a scientifically validated, practical option for women looking to rebuild collagen and restore skin vitality naturally. Super Oil 2. Sea buckthorn oil. Sea buckthorn oil is widely regarded as one of the most potent oils for mature skin, particularly due to its rare omega-7 fatty acid content. This nutrient is essential for strengthening the skin's lipid barrier, which helps the skin retain moisture and maintain elasticity as we age. Sea buckthorn oil delivers this and much more, making it an invaluable part of any anti-aging skincare routine. The oil is a rich source of omega-7 fatty acids, carotenoids such as beta-carotene and lycopene, palmitoleic acid, and vitamin E. Together, these nutrients deliver powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects that actively protect the skin from the oxidative stress responsible for collagen breakdown. Sea buckthorn oil's carotenoids also give it a distinctive orange hue and offer additional protection against environmental damage. A 2017 clinical study published in Lipids and Health and Disease confirmed that daily sea buckthorn oil consumption significantly improved skin hydration, elasticity, and resistance to dryness in aging adults. Participants who took the oil for 90 consecutive days demonstrated measurable improvements in skin firmness and moisture levels, providing scientific evidence that this oil can slow collagen degradation and improve skin resilience from within. Sea buckthorn oil works by restoring the skin's lipid barrier, which naturally thins with age and exposure to harsh environmental factors. This barrier is essential for preventing moisture loss, which directly impacts collagen stability and skin smoothness. Additionally, the oil's antioxidants help stabilize existing collagen by neutralizing free radicals, which are a leading cause of premature skin aging. Sea buckthorn oil is highly versatile and can be used both orally and topically. For oral consumption, 1 to 2 teaspoons of cold-pressed oil daily can be easily mixed into smoothies or salad dressings to provide systemic skin support. For topical application, a thin layer of the oil can be gently massaged onto clean, damp skin at night to allow for deep absorption without the interference of daytime environmental pollutants. Due to its natural color, it is best applied before bed to prevent any potential staining of clothing. The experience of Eleanor, a 59-year-old woman who had long suffered from dry, uneven skin tone, illustrates the power of sea buckthorn oil. After using the oil daily for 8 weeks, both orally and as a nighttime facial oil, she reported a significant reduction in dryness and improved skin tone. Her dermatologist confirmed these improvements with professional hydration assessments, underscoring the oil's effectiveness in restoring moisture balance and skin elasticity. For enhanced collagen stability, sea buckthorn oil can be paired with vitamin C-rich foods like fresh lemon juice, which amplifies its benefits. The oil's unique composition allows it to support both the internal and external structures of the skin, making it an essential anti-aging tool for women seeking natural, scientifically supported solutions. Super Oil 3. Avocado oil. Avocado oil is more than just a healthy cooking oil. It is one of the most powerful yet underrated tools for protecting collagen and maintaining skin elasticity, especially in aging skin. Its rich combination of antioxidants and essential fats makes it a true super oil for women aiming to preserve their skin's natural firmness. Avocado oil is naturally abundant in vitamin E, a fat-soluble antioxidant essential for preventing oxidative damage to skin cells and collagen fibers. It is also rich in oleic acid, a monounsaturated fatty acid that enhances skin hydration and improves absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. Additionally, Avocado oil contains phytosterols, plant-based compounds that help maintain skin barrier integrity and calm inflammation. A 2010 study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology demonstrated that regular use of avocado oil significantly improved skin elasticity and firmness. The researchers attributed this benefit to the oil's ability to reduce oxidative stress, which is known to weaken collagen structures over time. Avocado oil works by neutralizing free radicals that would otherwise break down collagen and by reinforcing the skin's protective barrier. This dual action helps the skin retain moisture while safeguarding collagen fibers from daily environmental damage. There are two easy ways to integrate avocado oil into your daily routine. First, consuming 1 to 2 tablespoons per day can deliver internal skin benefits. It can be added to salads, drizzled over roasted vegetables, or blended into smoothies. Second, avocado oil can be used as a topical massage oil. Gently massaging the oil into damp skin enhances its penetration and delivers immediate hydration while providing antioxidant protection. Consider the story of Susan, a 65-year-old fitness coach who had recently lost a significant amount of weight. Susan was concerned about skin sagging and loss of tone, especially around her arms and abdomen. She began incorporating avocado oil into her diet and used it as a massage oil after workouts. After consistent use over 3 months, Susan reported firmer skin texture and improved elasticity. Her skin's ability to bounce back surprised even her dermatologist. Avocado oil offers a practical, accessible, and scientifically supported approach to collagen protection, particularly for women aiming to maintain skin integrity after weight loss or as part of their overall anti-aging routine. Super Oil 4. Pomegranate Seed Oil. Pomegranate seed oil has earned a well-deserved place among anti-aging super oils due to its extraordinary collagen-repairing properties. This oil goes beyond hydration. It actively participates in rebuilding the skin structure from within. Pomegranate seed oil is particularly rich in punicic acid, a rare omega-5 fatty acid known for its potent anti-inflammatory effects. It also contains high levels of polyphenol and vitamin K, which support skin regeneration and vascular health. These compounds work together to reduce oxidative stress, promote skin healing, and directly stimulate collagen-producing cells. A 2013 study published in Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine provided clinical support for these benefits. The research demonstrated that pomegranate seed oil enhances dermal thickness and collagen density in aged skin. The oil also stimulated keratinocyte proliferation and fibroblast activity, two essential processes in maintaining youthful, plump skin. Pomegranate seed oil works by activating fibroblasts, the cells responsible for producing new collagen fibers. Its polyphenol content also helps stabilize the skin's extracellular matrix, protecting it from enzymatic breakdown and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This is especially beneficial for skin that has been exposed to years of sun damage. For practical use, pomegranate seed oil can be applied topically after dilution with a carrier oil like jojoba or almond oil to improve absorption. It is best used at night when the skin's repair mechanisms are most active. A few drops gently massaged into the face and neck can yield noticeable benefits within weeks. It can also be consumed in small amounts, though its primary collagen-supporting benefits are achieved through topical application. Take the example of Lisa, a 58-year-old woman with significant sun damage and uneven skin texture. After applying a pomegranate seed oil blend nightly for 10 weeks, Lisa saw visible improvements in skin firmness and tone. Her sunspots faded slightly, and her overall skin texture became smoother. Lisa's experience highlights that targeted, consistent use of this oil can reverse some of the most stubborn signs of aging. Pomegranate seed oil offers a unique collagen-boosting approach by combining potent antioxidants with omega-rich nourishment, making it an essential part of any age-defying skincare plan. Super Oil 5. Extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is a staple in the Mediterranean diet, known worldwide for promoting longevity and heart health. What is often overlooked, however, is its powerful role in supporting collagen longevity and protecting skin from premature aging. Olive oil is rich in polyphenol, particularly hydroxytyrosol, which is a potent antioxidant. It also contains vitamin E and oleic acid, which deeply nourish skin cells and strengthen the skin's lipid barrier. Together, these compounds protect the skin from free radical damage and chronic inflammation, two key drivers of collagen degradation. A 2019 study published in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences confirmed that the polyphenol in olive oil help prevent photoaging by neutralizing oxidative stress and reducing the inflammatory cascade triggered by UV exposure. The researchers found that individuals who regularly consumed olive oil had better skin elasticity and fewer visible signs of aging compared to those who did not. Olive oil's anti-aging power works through two primary mechanisms. First, it protects existing collagen by reducing oxidative stress, which preserves the skin's firmness and elasticity. Second, it strengthens the skin's outermost barrier, which prevents moisture loss and shields the skin from daily environmental damage. In daily life, olive oil can be integrated both topically and through diet. Consuming 1 to 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil per day, either on salads, roasted vegetables, or simply as part of dressing, provides systemic antioxidant benefits that support skin health from the inside out. Topically, extra virgin olive oil can be used as a gentle facial oil or massage oil, particularly on areas prone to dryness and fine lines. Applying a few drops to damp skin after cleansing locks in moisture and delivers antioxidants directly to the skin surface. An inspiring story comes from Maria, a 62-year-old woman who began combining daily olive oil consumption with collagen-rich foods like bone broth and fatty fish. Over the course of 3 months, Maria's skin became visibly more hydrated, and the fine lines around her eyes softened. She credited the combined approach of diet and topical application for her skin's improved resilience and glow. Extra virgin olive oil is not just a healthy kitchen staple. It is a powerful collagen ally that supports long-term skin vitality through both internal nourishment and external care. Its simplicity, accessibility, and proven science make it an invaluable addition to any woman's anti-aging strategy. The collagen oil routine. Building a collagen-supporting skincare and nutrition routine doesn't need to be complicated. The key is consistency and a well-timed sequence that aligns with your body's natural repair cycles. Start the morning with avocado oil in your breakfast. Drizzle 1 to 2 tablespoons over eggs, whole grain toast, or mixed into a smoothie. Avocado oil not only nourishes your skin from within, but also kickstarts your metabolism with skin-protective antioxidants. For topical care, apply extra virgin olive oil to your face after cleansing. A few drops massaged into damp skin can lock in moisture and offer antioxidant protection throughout the day. By midday, incorporate sea buckthorn oil, either as a supplement or in a small smoothie. This oil works deeply to rebuild the skin barrier and improve hydration. Evenings are the perfect time for rosehip seed oil application. Apply 2 to 3 drops to clean, damp skin before bedtime to maximize collagen repair while you sleep. The skin's regenerative processes are most active overnight. Once or twice a week, perform a gentle facial massage using pomegranate seed oil blended with a carrier oil. This ritual helps improve circulation and enhances collagen delivery to deeper skin layers. A sea buckthorn oil face mask can also be used weekly for added hydration. For optimal results, pair these oils with vitamin C-rich foods like citrus and berries, and prioritize protein intake to provide essential amino acids for collagen synthesis. With consistent application, visible skin improvements typically appear within 6 to 12 weeks.